Hola my friends, how are you? I'll be doing great. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some products that I repurchased and also new products that I wanted to try out. So I'm going to be unboxing a couple of things from ColourPop. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. So for today, I think I'm going to stick with like a summer makeup look or something like that. Something like a sunset vibe or a fiery vibe or something, which I never do on my eyes because I never really like red eyeshadows or orange. But for the sake of summer, I'm gonna try to do it and do something that I don't normally do. But first, I'm gonna unbox what I got from ColourPop. I have the box right here. And let me show you. Okay, so I'm running low on my favorite tinted moisturizer, which is by ColourPop. Is the Pretty Fresh. I love this so freaking much. It is so freaking good. And my shade is light 6W. I love it. So I'm running really low on mines. Before I run out, I wanted to get it so I can have it already. Because literally, let me show you the difference between a new one and an old one. All I have is like a little bit of product down here that I'm gonna use up today because I think I can still squeeze some out. So I'll be using the old one, but I already have this one. This next item, I've always wanted to try and I keep forgetting to buy it and try it out, but it's from the same line. It's the Pretty Fresh Concealer. And this says it's a hyaluronic creamy concealer. It says apply concealer with brush tip, then blend using fingertips or a beauty sponge. And I always use a beauty sponge because I prefer it that way. So it's this one. I didn't know what shade to get, so I got light 45W. Hopefully that's a good one. I just want it to be a little bit lighter than the actual tinted moisturizer, and I think it is lighter. A bit lighter. Here it is. I've heard good things about this concealer, but I've never tried it, so I'm super excited to try it. Also wanted to try the glowing lip. That's what it's called. It just says glowing lip. So these are the lipsticks. I got two shades, one darker than the other one. I really like this one. It looks very pretty. I've never tried this formula before. I've tried their other lippies, but not this one in particular. So I'm super excited to try these. And I also got their eyeliners because I love their eyeliners. They're like the best. They're so pigmented. They stay on all day. They don't irritate my eyes. They used to, but they reformulated the formula, I guess, and now they don't bother me. So I always wanted to grab this shade, which is the purple one, and it was always sold out, which is called Plum Smash. And they had it available, so I grabbed it. Because it's like a, oh, look at it. Look at it. Ooh, that color looks like it's gonna be gorgeous. Let me put it over here. Oh yeah, it truly is like a plum color. And then the other shade is like a light blue. Is this one? It's called Crystal Crush. And I love blues like this, and I was running low on the blue that I have, so I decided to pick this one up. And it's perfect for summer as well. Look how beautiful it looks next to that purple. That is nice. Let me go ahead and prime my face and I'll be back. So in case you were wondering, I used the NYX Marshmallow Primer. And now I'm gonna squeeze the last bit of this out to see if anything comes out, because I love this and I want to use everything. I have my Rick and Morty mirror here. I did a full review of the She Glam Rick and Morty collab that came out recently. That video is already up in my channel in case you're interested. Look at that healthy glow. Is a light to medium tinted moisturizer, which is perfect for summer because I like my skin to kind of breathe and peek through in the summer. I'm into the more light to medium coverage anyway, so this one gives a nice little glow to the skin and it feels very hydrating. Now this one is definitely going to be our first impressions because I've never tried this one. Again, this is in shade Light 45W. Hopefully I like it as much as the other one. I don't know how much I have to put of this because I don't know if it's too dry. Hopefully it's not. I like the color, so that's great. And it does have a nice coverage to it. Oh, this is, I like this. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin at all. Oh, that's real nice. Ooh, I like that. To continue with this healthy, glowy summer skin, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. liquid blush, and this is in the shade Pinky Promise. It's like a peachy pink. I don't use this one a lot because it's so pigmented. It's so pigmented, and I get kind of scared of it. They're not bad quality, they're good, but it's just a little too pigmented for me. I gotta go really light-handed, and right now my hands are slippery. I can't open it. I can't open it.
2,000 years later.
So what I like to do, I just put it in the back of my hand and go from there because I just don't trust it by just dabbing it on my face, because then it's harder to blend. And I take a sponge and start working. You see what I'm saying? Do you see that? It looks like the blob that I have up here. Don't ask me. Don't. It's not blood. It's a spray to cover the grays, and I didn't shake it well, and it did that. So these, I am a little bit, I should have started with this first and then the concealer so I can clean this up over here, but I didn't do that. Plus, another thing about this one that scares me a little bit is because it dries down kind of fast. I prefer cream blushes than the liquid ones because they always tend to dry fast. It doesn't give you any time to like really blend it out. That's why I don't really reach out for this one that much. Now the cream ones, I love those. I look like I have sunburn. Now I'm gonna set everything with a NARS setting powder because this one's more like glowy in a way. It's not as matte as the other ones that I have. I want to put that right on the T-zone. I mean, you can leave this tinted moisturizer as is. You don't have to set it, but I have to set it because I tend to get very oily on my T-zone. Okay, so I want to do a little sunset fiery type of look using oranges, yellows, and reds. So I chose two palettes that I think will be perfect for that. This one I got recently from Unearthly Cosmetics, and this is the Get Groovy palette. And I think those oranges right there and that yellow would be great. I could also use this one, but I was thinking maybe I can use this one and not use a red because I do have a red from this palette, which is the Glam Light Kiss palette. And there's a very intense red over here. Ooh, should I just use that other one? Or should I use this red? Let me start with the lighter colors and then I'll decide if I use this one or the other one. So I'm gonna go in first with that yellow. And I really enjoy this yellow because it's very pigmented, and yellows are usually hard to like have pigment, I guess. You have to build it up, but this one, you can see right off the bat, it's very good quality. I'm mainly gonna focus this over here in the inner corner. I mean, truly, that went on with no effort. I didn't have to struggle building it up or anything. It's a very good yellow. I'm gonna go in with that orange. Nice, beautiful orange. And again, I don't use tones like this on myself. I just don't really, I feel like they don't go with my skin tone because I tend to be on the yellow side, and too many warm shades make me more yellow. I don't know, it could be in my head, I have no idea. I just don't really reach out for them that much. So what are your summer plans? Let me know. Are you going on vacation? Or are you just gonna chill? I'm gonna go in back with the yellow and kind of mix those two until I get a good blend. That's what I do. I go back and forth, and switch again brushes. And I don't hold it the way a professional is supposed to hold it, but I don't care because I'm not a professional. I've never claimed to be a professional. This looks like candy corn, right? So, okay, moment of truth. Do I go with that one? Or do I go with the red one? I think I'm gonna, let me try this one up and build it up and see. If it's too dark, I'll switch to the red one. Oh, there it is. It's a beautiful color. And I actually prefer colors like this than red because I don't really like red colors either. That's why today I decided I'm gonna use the colors that I never use. Just to push myself to do things that I don't normally do. That is a nice color. I like that color. I'm liking it a lot. Now I'm going back in with that orange and mix it up. Blend it with that shade, going back and forth. And then I'm gonna go in again with the yellow. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that pop-up shimmer up here and put that in the inner corner. Going in with that same yellow. And now I'm gonna go in with the orange. Now with an angled brush, I'm going with that deep plum color. I'm going to take that blue eyeliner from ColourPop. Again, this is called Crystal Crush. If it was up to me, I would use a black eyeliner, but I'm trying to do something different. It's thundering. Every afternoon it rains. But you would think it would get breezier and more cooler. No, it just gets hotter. I'm gonna put on mascara and put my favorite lashes. These are from Shein. Okay, lashes are on. I'm telling you, I love these lashes. They're so good. They're so good and so lightweight. I was gonna say that you don't feel it on your eyes at all. Your eyes don't feel heavy. I love them. I'm going to add a little bit more blush, and I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place blush. This is the volume 4, and I usually mix those two together. Then to add more glow to the face, because summer glowy vibes, right? I'm going to use the Ofra highlighter. This one's Rodeo Drive. This is one of their most popular ones because it is beaming. Literally a mile. Oh, look at that. One swipe. One freaking swipe. And this is very intense. As you can see, I did like 2 swipes and you can see it a mile away. I'm going to add this also in the brow bone. Okay. Now it's time for the lippies. So again, these are the glowing lipsticks from ColourPop, and I got 2 shades. I got Cienega, La Cienega, and Girl Please. This is La Cienega. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like that shade. Wow, these are very creamy. I like that. I like the shade. And then this one is Girl Please. Ooh. Also very pretty. I usually go for nude. My camera keeps cutting off. saying that that's the limit, but it's only been like a minute, so I don't get it. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I usually go for nude lips. I will definitely go for this one. This is the one that I'm dying to try, but since I'm doing everything to like get out of my comfort zone, I'm gonna use the dark one. So first I'm gonna line my lips, and for a lip line I'm gonna use the Chucky and Glam Light lip liner. This is Chucky. I just love how soft these are. I love their lip pencils. These feel so creamy that I'm afraid to like put a lot of pressure on it. They're super glossy. Oh wow, they're very pigmented. Okay, these are the types that you have to line your lips because they could go all over the place. So secure it by adding a lip liner. Super soft, not goopy, not sticky. It's very pigmented. It glides on very softly. I like them. I don't think they're gonna have that much longevity because they're very, very creamy and hydrating. But I'll keep you posted if anything. So this is the final look. What do you think? I feel weird, if I'm honest, because of these eyes. I don't know. I'm trying to get used to colors like this, and it's like, I don't know. I do like the lip color. I don't know if it goes. I think it does go with this look. What do you think? Let me know. You can let me know whatever you want. My camera keeps shutting off. I don't know what is going on with my phone. That worries me because this is a new phone and I've been hating it ever since I got it. I don't even know what I was saying. Anyway, let me know if you like the look or not. Let me know what you think of these products. Do you like them? Do you hate them? All that good stuff. So thank you for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit the like button because that helps me out a lot. So I'll see you later. Bye.